Hi, beautiful people. I hope you're all doing great and Merry Christmas in advance. You're welcome again to another delicious recipe with Solishy. If today is your first time here, you're welcome to the family. Please, before I continue, kindly click on that notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. To my old subscribers, thank you so much for your support. So today we'll be making eggplant sauce. So the ingredients, of course, we have our eggplant and I'll be using 3 of them. We also have some tomatoes. I'll be using 5 fresh tomatoes for this recipe. Some onions, some bell pepper. It doesn't matter the color you use. Some ginger, garlic, and habanero pepper, which is also called scorched bonnet. Then I have some spring onions. I have like 3 stems, so I'll be blending some and I'll be slicing some for garnishing. And I also have some celery. In Cameroon we call that green spices. I have some seasoning cubes, salt, some white and black pepper, and some rosemarin. Then I have some paprika. And of course we need protein for the recipe, and I'll be using gizzard. You are free to use whatever protein you wish. It could be fish, it could be chicken, it could be beef, it could be shrimps. Just your choice. So the first thing we are going to do will be to put the gizzard on the fire to start cooking. So to the gizzard I added some chopped onions and some of the dried ingredients together with salt and seasoning cube, and some water, of course, and I'm going to just cover and let it cook for 10 minutes. After which I will slice my tomatoes, put it in the blender, and I will blend the tomatoes together with the ginger, garlic, celery, some of the spring onions, the scotch bonnet pepper, and the bell pepper together. Next, I'm going to chop the eggplant, and I'm going to chop them into the format of square. I will do my best to make them look like square. So some people like to peel the back, but I don't. I just do it like this, but you can as well peel the back if you wish. So after slicing it, I will keep it aside. So at this point the gizzard is ready. I'm going to drain out the stalk or the broth out, and then I will take the stalk and put it into the eggplant. The reason why I am doing this is for the eggplant to somehow marinate into the stalk in order to give it a better taste. So next, add some oil into a hot pan, let it hot for a while. Next, you add your onion and fry this for like 2 minutes. After which you add your blended tomatoes. Give it a good stir until everything is well combined, and then you cover and cook for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, you want to check your tomatoes. this is how it looks like. So for me, at this point, I know that my tomatoes is ready. How do I know that? Because the water is dried up and I can only see oil on top of it. Next, I will add the last dry or the rest of the dry ingredients, and I will give that a good stir. Next, I will add some seasoning cubes. Basically, for this recipe, I used 4 seasoning cubes, and I will add the rest of the paprika also. I'm going to give that a proper and a good stir until everything is well combined. Next, I will add the eggplant. Mind you, I have already removed the meat stock that was in it. I'm going to give this a proper stir until it is well mixed into the sauce. Then I will cover and let it simmer for like 5 minutes. After some minutes, this is how it looks like. At this point, I'm very sure the aubergine, the eggplant, actually is also called aubergine. Next, I will add up the gizzard, give it a proper stir, and at this point you can also taste if your aroma is enough and feel free to adjust your salt, your seasoning cube, to your taste. So I will give it a proper stir and I will cover again and just let it simmer for like 2 to 3 minutes. So after a few minutes, this is how the sauce looks like. At this point, the sauce is ready. I'm just going to give it a good stir, and for garnishing, I'm going to add some of the spring onions that has been chopped. So guys, this stew can be eaten with yam, rice, potatoes, plantain, whatever may be your choice. It's a very simple and quick recipe to make. Be sure to find the ingredients and the measurement of this recipe in the description box below. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give it a thumbs up, share and leave a comment, and I will see you in the next one. God bless you. Bye bye.